Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox probably what is the most expensive item we've had yet, and it's the Vans Old Skool in white. So let's get into it. This is the size 10 US and European 43. And I think we're just gonna get into it. I need to get a hand free, so I'm gonna put camera down. Let's get this band off. And let's open it. Ooh, this nice foil. Okay, I think it's focused. Oh, and I see it's not even like wrapped yet with the not tied yet at all. Pretty cool. In white. I always find this a bit weird, that it's like standing out this crazy much. Anyway, it's probably the thing that keeps the shoe together. Let's take the second one out. Nope, got stuck a little bit there. And this is the second one. Let's also have a look inside the shoe. That's what it looks like. Get the light a bit better. Oh, and yeah. Alright. And we have the little tag here, Vans over the wall. Yeah. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye bye.